Hello, this is a video for parents. I wanted to make a video to clarify a few issues that many people are running into, give a few rundowns for the apps that you should have for your devices in order to access my lessons, and to talk about how Seesaw works. One of the most important points that I want to share with you is how to share student work. I've gotten a lot of awesome examples of student work sent to me a few different ways, and I wanted to show you how to correctly submit student work so that I may have them and grade them appropriately. If I assign an activity through Seesaw, such as, your screen might look a little different, but in your activities page, if an activity like this comes up, all you need to do is you need to go to this green button here where it says add response when you see an activity assigned on Seesaw. Click on add response, do the activity. When you're done, you hit the green check mark here, and then that will be sent to me to grade and approve through Seesaw. So you don't need to worry about sending me these activities. Just complete them if they're assigned on Seesaw, and then just click the check mark right here and you're good to go. Now, if the activity is a little bit different, where I'm asking you maybe during writing, take a picture of your student's writing that they're working on for an assignment, instead of texting or emailing or messaging me that picture of their work, if it's not an actual activity, you need to take a picture of it, to send it to me and submit the student work, you need to go to this green button, this plus sign that says add, hit add, and then you're going to click post student work. Once you click on post student work, select how you would like to submit your student's work. Whether it's a picture that you can take off of your computer, your device, you can draw the picture on your device, you can record the video and submit it, or let's say you take a picture of your student's work on your cell phone, take a picture of it, and then you wanted to send it to your device you're uploading from, you can upload it here. So please, when you are submitting a picture of any work, do not text it to me or email it to me or message it to me on Seesaw. Go to this add button, hit post student work, and this is how you will share me any activities that are not directly in Seesaw, any drawings, pictures, videos. So please make sure you are submitting student work like this through Seesaw. I also want to remind you of what apps you should have downloaded or what websites if you do not have a tablet, and how to log into them successfully to complete all portions of the lessons. A lot of parents are running into the same issues logging in, and there have been some changes that I want to go over. So you should have access to the Seesaw Class app, not the Seesaw Family app. In order to access the activities and submit student work, you need to have the Seesaw Class app. So if I was to go to the App Store and I typed in just Seesaw, make sure you are getting the Seesaw Class app and not the Seesaw Parent and Family. In the past, you might have used the Seesaw Parent and Family, but now in order to submit work and to view the activities, you need to have the Seesaw Class app. So please make sure you have this app right here. Once you log into the Seesaw Class version, log in as I'm a student. So if I was to open the Seesaw Class app, log in as I'm a student. And if this is your first time logging into the Seesaw Class app, you're going to need a text code from me. So just shoot me a message and I'll send you the text code. The text code only is available for 1 hour. So once I send it, please be checking for, once you ask me, please check for my response quickly so the code doesn't expire. And if it does expire, then that is no problem. Just let me know so I can send you another. But once you put in the text code from me, if you need it, and you're accessing the student class version for the first time as a student, once you put it in, you are going to be good to go. Now, the other apps you're going to need are Clever and ST Math, which must be used together in order to log into ST Math. So make sure to get on ST Math, you download Clever, which is this blue app right here. Download Clever and ST Math, which is this little pink one. So once you download them at the same time, you must log into Clever first. When you log into Clever, And after you download this app, I'm not going to download it, but once you log into this, it might ask you for the school name. So type in Dave Blair Elementary or Blair Elementary if the other doesn't work. From there, it should ask you for a username, which is your student's ID number, and the password is POI in all lowercase letters. Once you log in successfully with your student's ID number and POI, then Clever will pull up a couple apps on your screen, one of those being ST Math. You just click on ST Math from the Clever app, and it will automatically log you into the actual ST Math app. For whatever reason, we have to log in through Clever first and make sure you have the ST Math app downloaded as well. And ST Math is a great app that your students can just do whenever, just have something to do, and it just builds a lot of great skills. Another app that you need to have is called Khan Academy. It looks like this, so please make sure you have this app. Once you get the Khan Academy app, you should just be able to log in with the username and password that I have sent you through Seesaw. Originally, I made the first initial Khan Academy account, but I've had issues logging in, so I had to create a new one, which made me create brand new usernames and passwords for students. So I've just sent out a message last night to everyone on Seesaw with the new username and password for Khan Academy. So please check your messages on Seesaw and log in with these new credentials to access the assignments I have assigned for math. Now, the last app that you need to make sure you have for my lessons is called Epic. And this is where students can read books online. So it looks like this, Epic Kids Books and Videos. Make sure you get this app. For Epic, I've sent out a remote access link around last week, and you should have received a link from Epic that gives you access to this app specifically for our class. Some days I may assign a book for students to read, so look out for those, but Epic is a great resource and it has a lot of books. And your students should know their reading level, so make sure they're reading books at their level so that they don't lose all the progress that they made reading during the school year, because they've worked really hard. This is also another great app that you can use whenever you want, just to get your kids reading and making sure that they're staying on level. If for some reason you're having issues logging into this app or you haven't received the link, let me know. I can access most of these apps and track progress of who has access. And notice not everyone has them yet, and I wanted to make sure there's no confusion in using them. I'm uploading the lesson for next week today, so let me know if you need any help. And the last point I would like to make is that there are several other teachers who have access to my Seesaw account. For example, this lesson, where is it? This lesson right here is from our school counselor. The school counselor would come in for a couple lessons every now and then. And so she is posting some lessons as well. So if another teacher posts a lesson on my class, don't be alarmed. Just look to see who assigned it. Our counselor's name is Ms. Douglas. So she has assigned something as well. So if you receive a notification for that, just whenever you get a chance, complete that as well. As always, I'm here to help. I'm trying to keep my laptop and phone handy with me at all times to answer any questions or concerns you might have. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Please try to reach me through Seesaw. This is the best way to contact me. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.